Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Adara. In this video, we are going to talk about SNS core components. Now, you are already aware about SNS core components, right? It's only three. We have publisher, we have SNS topic, and subscribers. But I want you to get more detail about it. Let's say that if somebody is going to ask you a question like which service can be publisher, which service can be subscriber. So you must have idea about it, and that's what I'm going to explain you in this video. Let's start. First of all, introduction. Introduction is simple. We have mainly three components: publisher, topic, and subscriber. These three components are actually creating a system called PubSub. Now let's start with the first, which is publisher. Publisher is a system that creates an event and sends a message. Publisher is not part of SNS. It is an external service or app that uses SNS. Publisher can be EC2 application, ECS service or container, Lambda function, API gateway, or even application built using AWS SDK or CLI. If publisher needs to notify multiple systems like inventory, email, payment, shipping, it has two options. One, it can directly contact all these systems, and another option is publish to one place. Now, direct communication is not good idea. I already explained this during the introduction, because if you are going for the direct communication, code become complex, too many integration, system become tight coupling, and more failure to handle. Publish to one place is the best idea. Instead of calling multiple systems directly, the publisher says, I will publish this message to one place. And this one place is actually SNS topic. Now, SNS topic is a component that you are creating inside SNS, right? So if you go to the SNS, here we have option to create SNS topic. Now, let's talk about SNS topic. A topic is a communication channel in SNS. Publisher does not send message directly to the multiple system. It sends message to an SNS topic. The publisher only knows the topic. It does not know which multiple system will receive this message. The publisher just says, I am sending this message to topic. Now, what happened next is handled by SNS topic. Think of topic distribution hub, a single entry point for messages, a broadcast channel. Now, we have one question. The question is, okay, as per our normal understanding, publisher is going to send message to topic. But now, how topic can send messages to all these systems? We call it subscriber, right? So we have like hundreds of systems, but we don't want to send message to 100 systems. We want to send message to just 5 systems. So how topic will find out this subscriber, right? So let's understand this. How does topic know which system should receive the message? Those systems must be registered themselves with the topic. So what we are doing over here, first of all, we will create topic. Then all this system who is willing to get messages will subscribe to this topic. Once they will become subscriber, they are going to get message from the topic. Okay, so system means subscribers going to topic, subscribing itself, and then they are going to get message. Okay. So now flow becomes publisher. Publisher is going to send message to topic, and topic is going to send message to multiple system. All these systems are actually subscribers of this particular topic. Now, let's talk about subscribers.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982 575 7733. 37. All course details are provided in the description.